Hello everyone. In this session, we're going to cover how to fetch the data from the tabular cube to Excel using the DAX query. So let's go to the SSMS. Here I have the DAX query, which is already prepared. So where I'm trying to fetch the customer information where the geography ID equals to 277. So I got the data already here. Now I want to use this DAX query and update to the Excel. Now let's see how we can work on this. Okay, so already open the empty Excel spreadsheet. Okay, here I go to data tab. Under that, click on the get data. From here I go to the from database and then click on the from analysis service, and here I enter my analysis service details, localhost and tabular. Now I click on next, and here I have the two models exist. Okay, so not two models. One is the cube, other one is the prospective. So I connect to the cube and then click next and then finish. So now in this point, I only create the connection. I don't want to fetch any data from the cube, only just create a connection. Click OK. Now the connection is already created. So you can see that connection here by clicking the queries and connections. And I go here and then go to the properties. From here you can see there is the connection created. Now what I do, I go to this location, so copy that location, go to the location here. Oh, sorry, I want to open the location, not the entire ODC connection. So let me try again. All right, so yeah, so oops, sorry, something I did wrongly. So let me delete this way. I want to open till my data sources. Here, so my data sources are opened. Here what I do, I copy this connection, whatever the connection that I created from the Excel, paste it again. I'll rename this connection stating that DAX Query. So now I duplicated the existed connection. Now I'll open this connection in the notepad in the edit mode. So here you can see there are the two properties that we need to change here. Okay, so instead of the command type, instead of the cube, I'll use text, and here you have the model, the cube model. So what I do, I'll replace that with my DAX query. I come back here, paste it, and then save. That's all. I saved the changes. Now I go back to the Excel again. So this time what I do, okay, I don't want to disable this. Now this time what I do, again I go to the data tab. Under that I have existing connections. Click on existing connections, and here you can point the connection that we modified. So you can see here the last connection. This is the one we modified, or you can go ahead and browse more and go to here and select the DAX query connection that we modified. And now you can select the cell, and you see previously it was showing as a pivot table report. Now it's showing the table. Okay, so now click OK. That's it. So you got your data from the cube using the DAX query, and here you can see what is the query that we used into the definitions. So this is the DAX query, and instead of this query you can modify it to the any other query. So in my scenario this time I want to change to only the customer instead of filtering out, and click OK. And it's just giving the warning, the update warning. Click yes. That's it. So you got all the geography IDs instead of 277. So in this way we can achieve this. And but yeah, apart from here, this method you can also write the DAX query using the Power Query to bring the data. That is a different story. um, just I want to cover how we can modify the existed analysis service connection and fetch the data from the tabular cube using the DAX query. That's all for now. Thank you.